campaigns nearly collided in this decision 2010. Both candidates share the same name, and when one of them tried to share campaign signs, it almost cost him the vote. Meet Corbin White.
I'm running for the Jordan School Board, District Number 2 position on the Jordan School Board.
Meet the other Corbin White, also campaigning for a homecoming date.
I decided that I would take advantage of the situation and do something memorable with the signs, I guess you could say.
He borrowed the other Corbin White's campaign signs and put them in the girl's lawn to ask for her vote.
I think it was 3 weeks after. Yeah, I thought for sure I was in the clear.
I was eating dinner one night, I went to pay my bill, and I was told that there was a young man named Corbin White who attended Riverton High, played football, and he stole all my signs. And I said, okay, can you give him my card?
Along the line, police got involved and brought the Corbin Whites together for a caucus.
We talked on the phone, on the speaker. I asked him, I said, well, you know, before we get too deep into this, why don't you tell me the most important thing? Did you get the date? And he said, yeah, I got the date. And I says, okay.
And that was almost as big a relief as the fact that the girl said yes.
When he told me how much they actually cost, I was a little scared because I thought I was going to have to, yeah.
So since this Corbin helped the other win a date, now this Corbin will help the other win an election.
He just has these little flyers, and I just go by and hang them on people's doors, simple as that. Just go by and put them on.
Yes, absolutely. He's an asset to the campaign team because he's in 11th grade. You're 11th grade? Yeah. 11th grader, can sprint like crazy. Did a good job.
The Corbin White for School Board campaign got a new batch of signs, and the Corbin White for Homecoming apparently has a follow-up date, so all is well.
Who says there's